Hello everyone, this is Victory. It's me on the host. Today in the workshop there is kind of the U-rail which is used for window system. It's on the running, and especially for this machine or for this line is customized. Firstly, it's about the profile, and secondly, it's about the line. I mean the line construction. The machine transmission is a little bit different from our traditional way. So the first part, that's just gonna run in the machine. And it seems the line speed can reach up to 40 meters per minute. In the forming station, we have coupled with the coolant system. So let's move around the machine to see what's gonna happen. 现在你开始运营吧。Okay, let's turn on the machine for automatically running. The plan is somehow like the long walk piece will have this kind of receiver table. It's pneumatic receiver table. And here we can see it's the coolant. And inside, move inside, we can see the profile how to be formed. And use this kind of the stands, pillar stands. And in this line, we have combined this kind of the butt welder. The usage is just connected the coil, I mean the end coil, just cut it and then join together by welding. The advantage is just kind of for save the material. And for this decoller, that is double head. One kind of the, and while one is using, the other one can just loading into the machine. So this is the completely line. And let's see what is about the different transmission way. It's coupled with 4 units of the motor. So this is about the different part from the traditional machine. And here is the pump station and the flying cutting table. Receive table.